The Drill Brush 9-piece variety brush kit has brushes for indoor and outdoor projects. You get a 2-inch stiff bristle brush with 1-inch long bristles. It's good for outdoor projects with hard surfaces. A 2-inch medium bristle brush with 1 3/8 inch long bristles. This is good for cleaning mirrors, tables, and other flat surfaces. A 4-inch soft brush with 1-inch bristles for wheels, glass, and material. A 5-inch medium bristle flat brush with 1-inch long bristles for stovetops, countertops, cabinets, and appliances. A stiff bristle curved brush with 1-inch long bristles for outdoor furniture and hard surfaces. A medium bristle curved brush with 1 1/4 bristles for bathtubs, toilets, sinks, and tile. An ultra stiff brush with 1 1/4 long bristles for grills, fire pits, and other hard surfaces. A medium bristle narrow edge brush with bristles about 1/2 inch wide and 3/4 inch long for tile grout, shower door tracks, and other narrow surfaces. And a soft bristle cone-shaped brush for more delicate surfaces like car rims, headlights, windshields, and upholstery. The brushes have a 1/4 inch hex shaft and works with cordless drills and impact drivers.